Uh-oh, the train's coming. It's slowing down? Oh, that's weird. You're freaking me out a bit, train. Why are you stopping? It's because of my bike? Oh, well, let's move that. Oh, there it goes. It's a polite train.
Hey you! Your birth certificate's an apology letter from a condom factory.
I can make it. Almost there. Ooh, a jump finish. Jump! Oh, this is not going to end well. Oh! Ow. Ow. Okay, there's a police car right there. Apparently the police do not care if you hit the civilian vehicles. What if I hit their vehicle? Oh, they care. They care a lot. Alright, let's get out of here. Come on, let's go. Gotta cross this bridge. Oh, shit, the bridge is up! Ah! Ow. Note to self, put bridges back down. Okay, your pathfinding is horrid. Look at you. You're chasing the guy that's shooting at you. You even fell down and you're still getting up and running after the person. You guys are idiots. Alright, gotta knock out this person. Oh crap, I alerted them. Hit him! Hit it! Wait, what? What? You got hit by 2 cars! Go, Tire, go! Come on, Tire. You're going down a hill. You can go faster. But don't stop. Keep going. Go! No! You stopped my tire! Okay, this is awkward. They're dancing to no music. You guys... Ah, fire truck. Where is it going? What? Fire truck? What are you doing? Yeah. Why are you destroying all the cars? Fire truck, come back. Whoa, what? Hey, hang on. What is going on here? What? Dude, what are you doing? Spawning out of the car. I'm jumping. Your pathfinding is beyond horrid. Come on, you can come. You come. Ah, no, denied. What? Double rainbow all the way. I love how that is. Alright, let's back out of here. Nice and simple. Who did I injure? There's nobody here. Hey, whatever. Let's go. Step 1 of how to clear an ATM. Acquire a vehicle. Step 2. Attract attention. Step 3. Invade people's personal space. And success! You now have an ATM to get to. I shall stop this train.